After creating a Talk ID, the next step is to connect and communicate with friends. In this quick tutorial, learn how to add friends and create group chats for seamless communication. To begin with, tap the Add Friend button in the center of the page. A new screen appears with two options. To add a friend via QR code, tap the button to start scanning the QR code from your friend. You can choose to import a QR image or scan directly with it. To share your own code, tap the button that shows the Talk ID QR code and then start sharing your QR code with your friends through different media platforms. And if you want to add a friend via ID, enter their Talk ID. If an incorrect name is entered, a message appears stating that the ID doesn't exist. Entering a valid ID will bring up the person's profile. After that, tap Send Message to start a conversation. Once the friend accepts your message, both accounts will appear on each other's friend list. To create a group chat, select Create Group button below the Add Friend one. Choose who you want to be in your group from your list, then name your group chat with a limitation of 20 characters. If desired, change the group avatar by selecting either Take a Photo or Choose from Gallery. After choosing a picture, adjust the image to your preference and tap Select. The group chat is now ready. With these steps complete, Atok Talk is fully set up for both one-on-one and group conversations. Use your new Talk ID to connect with friends and enjoy a new way of seamless communication. Join the Atok community now and be part of the future of decentralized advertising.